this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Y'all, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off.
Hi everyone. So as usual, I'm cleaning my hairline before applying my lace wig. So this wig was from my previous video where I fixed the hole that was in the front of the lace. If you haven't seen that one, go ahead and check that out. That'll be the video right before this one.
Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Tell them who you got the glue, who you got the glue, who you got the glue. Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back.
So today I'm using the Bedhead hairspray. I wanted to try it out and see how much of a hold it has and how well it melts the lace into my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with 3 layers.
Who you around with? On no game. Anytime you're ready, girl. On the game. The bass make me fly. In the rain, I make you feel high. On the plane. She said I saw the love, the hot. Baseline sweet and I touch this spot. Dancing, she love to that, girl.
Now I'm done with all 3 layers of the hairspray and I'm ready to apply the wig. After, I'm gonna drill dry it for a little bit and then apply my elastic band to the lace to help hold it down and melt it into my skin.
Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Tell them who you got the glue, who you got the glue, who you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Your body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in the song. Plus the cooking on your body, you make your body strong.
I've applied my elastic band and did my parting, and I'm ready to apply my wax stick and use my hot comb to help press down the top so it doesn't look all wiggy.
And the problem you got now with a fix it. And when you dance to me song, it come out the key. Up like a drum on a beat, it your night like a secret. So you feel wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Tell them who you got the glue, who you got the glue, who you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Why this make you feel?
And now I'm applying my concealer to my parting to help give it more of a scalp look.
Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Girl, your body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in the song. Plus the cooking on your body, you make your body strong. Girl, and the problem you got now with a fix it. And when you dance to me song, it come out the key. Up like a drum on a beat, it your night like a secret. So you feel wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Tell them who you got the glue, who you got the glue, who you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Why this make you feel like you? 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 Yeah, you want to broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back.
So now I'm getting ready to start on my layers. So first I'm gonna section the hair where I want to cut, and I'm gonna use my scissors and go down at an angle diagonally and just let the scissors do the work. Nothing too heavy. You don't want to just snip and then snip the wrong way. So just kind of glide the scissors down.
Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you around with? On no game. Anytime you're ready, girl. On the game. The bass make me fly. In the rain, I make you feel high. On the plane. She said I saw the love, the hot. Baseline sweet and I touch this spot. Dancing, she love to that, girl. Go to the track, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back.
Now I'm ready to straighten the hair. As always, I use heat protecting spray to help protect the hair from the heat.
Broke off your back, okay, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. Tell you you got the glue, you got the glue, you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, girl. You body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in the song. Just say cooking on your body, you make your body dry. Girl, and the problem you don't know how to fix it. And when you dance to me, song it on a big beat. Up like a drum on a beat, it's your tight like a secret. So you feel wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, okay, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. Tell you you got the glue, you got the glue, you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, girl. But this make you feel like.
If you've gotten this far into the video, thank you so much for watching and hanging in there with me. But don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below to let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see. And make sure you have that bell notification on so you could get a notification for when I post my next video.
Broke off your back. Tell you you got the glue, you got the glue, you got the glue.
Alright, I'm ready to see what we're working with. And let me tell you, I loved it. What lace. What lace. Now for the hold check. I mean, the lace is melted. Let's see. I mean, I didn't want to pull too hard because it's not that, that strong of a hold. Like I can feel it that it's holding, but it's not as strong. It feels like it'll last for a good day. Now, it doesn't feel like as strong as the black can, the Eben lace, Wonder Lace black can. It doesn't feel that strong, but it does have a hold. You can feel the hold, and it does melt the lace really well.
Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, girl. Your body hotter than a suntan.
Now, since I had to spray the ear tabs area a little more, and I want to make sure that it stays down, I'm gonna use these wrap strips that I got off of Amazon. I will have the link to it in the description down below. Anything I use in this video, as always, I'll leave in the description down below.
Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. Tell you you got the glue, you got the glue, you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, girl. Your body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in the song. Just say cooking on your body, you make your body dry. Girl, and the problem you don't know how to fix it. And when you dance to me, song it on a big beat. Up like a drum on a beat, it's your tight like a secret. So you feel wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, okay, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. Tell you you got the glue, you got the glue, you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, girl. Why this make you feel like you? 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 Yeah, you want to broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, okay, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. You got the glue, you got the glue, you got the glue. Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, girl. Yeah.
So basically, to give it a little swoop, give the layers a little umph to it, I'm just gonna give it a little swoop with my flat iron at the end. Just give it a little swoop, so it can have a little bounce and a little style to it. That's all.
Wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, okay, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your, rock off your, rock off your back, girl. But this make you feel like you. 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 Yeah. You mind to the rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your, rock off your, rock off your back. Okay, rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your, rock off your, rock off your back. Know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your, rock off your, rock off your back, girl. Yeah, yeah. Ladies,
Alright guys, this is the final look. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.